Okay, so that was about data loader. We'll talk about that later as well. I know it's it's a lot, but bear with me. Don't get confused. Okay, so now processing input through the network, it's a pretty simple step. Once you have defined your network, then what will happen is your data loader is actually giving your network image samples in batches. If batch, let's say the batch size is 4, so this input to the forward function X is like 4 images. Okay, for example, like the scenario which we're discussing, the shape of X will be 4 times 1 times 28 times 28. Okay, and that batch will be passed through all these layers to produce the output. So that's just a feed forward step.